Hey guys, so I'll be showing you the WL Toys L939 short course truck. It has rear suspension. There's 2 springs in there. And not like, just barely, but a little bit of front suspension. Not much though. It comes with 20 traffic cones, 10 red, 10 blue, if you want to make your own little course or something. Comes with a USB charger to charge it from a USB port. Takes about 15-20 minutes to charge. You get about 10-15 minutes of driving, which is pretty good. Comes in this box. And it comes with a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter with turning here and throttle on the stick. It has reverse. The throttle and steering are both proportional. Takes 4 AA batteries in the back, and you have steering trim here. Or no, you have yeah, this is steering trim here, and the back, I'm not sure what the back dial is. You have, let me start turning on. I gotta turn that car on first. Whoops. There you go. You have 5 different modes. You can be in S mode, or you can be in all scale mode. See if you can see that. There. And when you're in all S mode, you can switch through the modes by pressing this button up top here to go faster or slower, depending on what you want the max speed to be. And when you're in all scale mode, you'll be in full speed the whole time, no matter what you press. My reverse sometimes won't work. Like right now it's working, but sometimes it doesn't work. I just keep returning it off and on until it works. I got it for $28 on eBay. I just wanted a car that was cheap. Didn't want to buy anything too expensive, and it works pretty good. It also comes with a plastic roll cage that comes around it, but I don't use that. That's about all I have to say, so I'll take you for a driving review. Well, here we are with the driving review of the WL Toys L939 short course truck, so I'll show you how it drives. Right now I'm in first gear, so it's quite slow. You can do some precision driving. The reverse is really weak though, and it's really slow. There's full reverse. But it's better than nothing. Only 28 bucks on eBay, it's not bad. There's second gear. It's definitely really fast for the size though. And outside on pavement you can really rip. This is 4th gear right now, and here's max speed. Oops. You can see it's really fast. Quite durable. I've run it full on into things and just kind of bounces off, and then you're good. You can make little jumps out of like magazines and stuff. I have the one magazine on the floor because there's a dip in the floor, so I have to get up over it. Got it stuck under the dresser. Well, there you have it. That was the driving review of the WL Toys L939. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. See ya.